So today we're going to take a look at how you can export audio in Premiere Pro. It's pretty simple. All you want to do is you want to open up your sequence. Here we have the video that we last uploaded to the channel, and all we're going to do is go up here to our export section. Once we're in export, you're going to see we have our format here, and when we're in format we're just going to simply click down and we have a variety of choices for audio output that we would like. We have AAC audio, we have good old MP3, along with waveform audio. For the purpose of this video, we're just going to use MP3. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put a title in. We'll just call this test audio. And once we've done that, all we do is just simply click export like we would any other video. So once we've done that, you can see our video has been exported. If we go and put this, and we have a look at our Finder, which we have, this is the folder, you can see test audio 1 at today, and it's an MP3 audio file. So that's how you export audio in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time.